Good morning, everybody. It's the 28th of December, 2023, and I have a lot of people comments or send me emails. What the heck is all this stuff behind you here? Do you have an audio showroom at the Rancho? Well, I might as well. And let me tell you guys, this is the Fabled. In case you're new to the channel, and we're welcoming new people. In case you're new to the channel, this is the Fabled Wall of Sound, which is one of the greatest private collections of significant vintage stereo receivers and also mono receivers in probably, at least in California, if not America, spanning from about 1959 to about 1983. What we call the golden age of vintage audio here. And if you're wondering, I do repair these. I have some playlist called Vintage Audio Rescue, where I go out and do videos of saving and picking up the units. I've met some interesting characters over the time, and I've hauled some people around to help me load them up, like Bobby and my old gardener and Dom here back in the early 2013-14. A lot of fun, but I also have two more playlists that you might be interested in. One of them is vintage audio repair and restorations, of which you can pick out a particular unit here and watch the restoration process of it. Also, I have another playlist called Vintage Audio Listening Experiences, where I'll highlight that one particular unit, set it in the center here, and then we'll listen to some music, or we'll listen to a song through the system to see how the fidelity is on it. It's a lot of fun, and it's one of the hallmarks of the channel. So, well, if you're not subscribed, please take a moment to subscribe and hit that bell for all notifications. Everything from cooking to travel to vintage audio to metal detecting to repair projects, you find it all on here. My friends, hanging out with them. It's been an interesting year, to say the least. Anyway, so welcome to you. We've had a lot of fun last night. If you didn't see it, I did the spicy beef noodle soup, which was so doggone good. I had it for breakfast today, what was left over. Absolutely delicious. If you want to see the recipe for that, and nothing warms you up more on a nice cold day, and it hasn't been that cold here, but it just goes down really good in winter time. That spicy beef noodle soup was absolutely delicious. Checked out last night's live stream for the making of that, and also we were trucking around Sebastopol, a little town about 6 miles to the west of here, like a hippie town. The town that time forgot. It's locked in the in the 1970s. So I always try to make sure that I'm doing something new every single day, or at least we're having fun. We're interacting, and I've been doing this, I think I'm going on, I don't know, I can't figure it out, 12 years come January 4th. I don't know, it's 11, or it sounds ancient. It's a lifetime, and believe it or not, in that whole time period of 12 years or 11 years or whatever, I've only ever missed 4 days here on YouTube. 3 days with the passing of my father. Today's the anniversary of that, 3 years ago. And back in 2013, when I had a little bit of trouble with YouTube and missed a day. Other than that, I've been here every single day having fun and hanging out with you guys. And I have had a blast. What are we going to do tonight? I have no idea, but we're going to do something fun. I'm thinking about making something I haven't made before in Kitchen Stadium, so stay tuned. In the meantime, I've got packages, a couple more packages. The Stern family, thank you. I think I already highlighted that. Thank you. The pillows and the keychains. And, well, what do you know? What do you know? I think this is something I ordered before. I think this is my own. You guys remember, people went crazy when I had the retro cat shirts right for summertime. And I was missing one that was back ordered. And oh, I don't know, maybe no, I take it back. Let me see what we got inside. I think this came from I think actually this is from Diane. And look at how cool this is, this retro. Right? Don't you just love that with the retro design? I think that's all the rage. And I'm doing my part, right, to bring back retro there. So how cool is that? Thank you, Diane. That's who that is. It's not, I'm still back ordered one. These bums probably won't send it to me. I don't know. And then there's something else here that she had sent. And wow, look at this long sleeve. Look at how cool that is. It has a map of North and South America. Well, that is wild. I really dig that. I really dig that. So Diane single-handedly keeps Temu in business there. Thank you, Diane. Much love to you, and I hope you had a great Hanukkah. This, let's see what we got here. This also came in. I'm so excited I could just whiz myself. I thought it was, the Diane's like, that's not what you ordered, right? That's for me, dope. Okay, and what do we have here? We have an old-fashioned heart. Ooh, somebody sent me lemon drops. Ooh, from my beautiful Jody, who's our resident art critic on the channel of the Parsons School of Design of New York City, adjunct associate consultant for the Metropolitan Museum of Art. Well, and has been a consultant to the Louvre in Paris before. She does it all. And what's gone into her eyes on some of these walks or chooches, as I call them. Poor kid. It's a wonder she didn't stroke out with some of the stuff we see. So I got Clay's old-fashioned lemon drops, which I love. They are so delicious. All right, guys, thank you, Jody, Diane, the Sturms. Save, I can't put my finger on them right. Some keychains and some pillows, little pillows, which are exciting. And yes, Sturms, it's the thoughts that counts, and we appreciate, I appreciate you being out there. So I'm going to close it out now, guys. I'm going to get to work on another cinematic feature here, another hallmark of the channel. I'm going to do the night lights of Boulder City, which I think that you will enjoy. Then I have a really 10-star restaurant review coming up. It's not often I give 10 stars out, but this place in Boulder City, well, it certainly and totally deserved it, okay? It was amazing. So with that, I'm going to close it out. Once again, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, hit the bell for all notifications. 2024 is going to be a barn burner. In the meantime, thumbs up are appreciated from the Rancho in front of the legendary Wall of Sound. Thanks so much for watching, everybody.